Hello, welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into the specifics of setting up an effective content strategy using teamwork.com, your 2025 guide. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to set up your teamwork.com account and create a new project. The reason we do this is because having a dedicated project for your content strategy allows you to keep everything in one place, from brainstorming ideas to publishing content. Next up, invite your team members to join the project. This helps us because it establishes a centralized communication platform and allows for seamless collaboration, which is a cornerstone of successful content strategy. Now that we've done that, let's move to step 3, defining your content goals. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your goals will guide your content creation process, helping to ensure that all your content aligns with your broader business objectives. Once you've defined your goals, it's time to create task lists for different content types. Let me explain why this matters. Having a separate task list for blogs, social media posts, and other content types will help you streamline your content production process. The final step is to use teamwork.com's calendar function to schedule your content. This is crucial because consistent posting is a key part of any successful content strategy. So to quickly sum it up, we start by setting up a project on teamwork.com, invite the team, define our content goals, create task lists for different content types, and finally schedule the content using the calendar function. With these steps, you can set up an effective content strategy using teamwork.com. And that's a wrap, folks. Tune in next time as we delve into more tips and tricks to optimize your content strategy. Until then, keep creating.